Hello, my name is Nicholas Fierro. I went to Sachem East High School. That's in Farmingville, New York. After I graduated from there, I went to LIU Post, which is in Brookville, New York. I went there for 5 years to get a dual certification in health and physical education. I played football there, and once I graduated, I was a substitute teacher in Hauppauge, and that's where I did my student teaching. After a year there, I went to Sachem Schools, where I graduated, of course. Um, I was there for a year and a half. I was also a lifeguard there as well. For this upcoming school year, I got a job as a health educator, where I'll be teaching general health and also exercise physiology. So Sachem hired a good amount of people this year. They hired 78. Um, I am right back here. I will be at the East School and the high school, so this school right over here. For the district, I am also a football coach and also winter and spring track coach. We did very well last year, our track teams, and then hopefully we'll have a nice football season this year. Also, on my free time, I like to um, watch sports. I'm a Giants and Yankees fan, so very excited for this upcoming football season. I've been with my now fiance for 10 years. We are getting married this coming Saturday on September 7th, so pretty excited about that. See if I can pull up our picture. So this was me and her back when we were 15 years old. I also wrote a small memoir about my life. Had a couple surgeries done, my back, arm, just some interesting stuff. I have epilepsy, just diagnosed about 2 years ago. So just looking to grow as an educator. That's why I'm taking this master's program, looking to improve my technology skills and just in general, just trying to become a better teacher.